Hi everyone, in the next tutorial with small and simple house. In the last few tutorials we modeled walls, roof, floors, column with foundation and make grids in the center of our project. Please try to go to solve elevation, move your levels and then try to change the level. And if you change the level, you can see that floor is going with the level. Please close the solve elevation, close also the -1 and open level 0, go to view tab and then go to tile. Please open your window, go to tile, scroll and see how does it look like. Go to the structure, then go to the column, make the column at grid from level 0 to level 1. Please remember to put good options like model in the height, level 1. Please try to go to the 3D view, open the wireframe. Please see that you can select your column in the 3D view and then the selected column is also in the 3D view. If you select the column below the floor, you cannot see this. This column is on the level 0 to level 1 and that's why you see the blue rectangle. Please go to the annotate tab and then try to make the dimension, align it. Please click once at grid and then click another one to another grid. Do the same with the grids in the left side of the view. If you finish, click in the white blank. Go to the modify option, then try to select a grid. Then you can change the dimension of the, please see that the dimension is blue. Please go to the units, manage units, then change the millimeters to the centimeters and click OK. Please try to select one grid and then you can see the dimension is blue. If you click to the dimension, it's going to be ready to change. You can try to change to the 300 or 100 and the wall is going through with the grid and then the grid changed the wall and the wall is changing the roof and so on and so on. Please repeat the same with other grids and try to exercise. If you click equal, it's going to make the same dimension of the grid. Please try to move one grid and you can see that the connection is between the grids because of the equal option clicked in the dimension. Please try to exercise with another dimensions and check how does it work. We will make the walls inside the building and try to align these walls and make the connection between the walls, grid and columns. Please go to the architecture tab and then try to make a basic wall, level 1 to the high from level 0. Use the location line, core center line. Try to draw it from the left side to the center of the building and then please also check the log to make the alignment between the wall and the grid. If you make 4 walls, then you can try to move one of them and see what's going on. After this, we will make the connection between the column and the wall, because you can see the other walls are not moving with column. Please also remember to use 3D view to use it, because you can see how the level and the building is changing. Please select one wall and then try to click to the blue button, and then if you move your wall, the ending of the wall, please go to the modify panel and then use align tool and then try to connect column with the wall. Please use prefer to the wall faces. Please click to the column and then to the wall and also use the lock. Try again with the 4 walls and then we will see if it will work. You can see that one grid is moving another one because of the connections. Please try to scroll to the column, to the center of the drawing. Please go to the panel of the bottom and you can see the red lines showing connections between all objects and elements in our project. If you try to delete some dimensions and try move the grid, the connections, it's deleted. Try to unlock and then you can see wall is not moving with the grid. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial. Please subscribe and like our video. You can meet us in Krakow in Poland.